Hello kids. Now let's watch a few birds and sea animals. Come on, let's go. First let's watch a few birds. Do you know the name of this black colored bird? It is a crow. And who is coming next? It is a parrot. Parrots are intelligent birds. And next comes the pigeon. Who is going to come next? It is a dove. And can you tell the name of this bird which flies very high in the sky? It is eagle. Eagles are large and powerful birds. And do you know the name of this beautiful bird? Yes, it is a peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. And here comes ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. They cannot fly, but they can run very fast. And who is here at the pond? Let's see. It is a goose. They like to spend time in the water. And here comes the seagull. Seagulls are birds that are found mostly near the sea. It is dark. It is night time. Let's see who's going to come. It is owl. Owls are active during night time. Now let's see a few sea animals. Who's going to come fast? It is a clownfish. They have white stripes on their body. And next comes the starfish. Starfish is also called sea star. Who is going to come next? It is a seahorse. Its face is similar to a horse, so it is called seahorse. And next comes the dolphin. Dolphins can dive deep in the sea. Who's going to come next? Let's see. It's a jellyfish. It looks like an umbrella, right? Next comes the whale. Whales are called ocean giants because they are the largest animal. And who's this? This is a shark. It has very sharp teeth. And next comes the sea turtle. They have long flippers which help them to swim in the sea. Do you know the name of the sea animal? It is a walrus. Walrus are large animals. They have flippers which help them to swim in the sea. This is a penguin. Penguins cannot fly, but they can swim. That's the end. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll meet you in another interesting session. Till then, bye-bye kids.